wait at the entrance, or I'll wait at the station rather.
At this time, please take a step back. The gates are now closing. During your ride, please remain seated with your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train with your head against the headrest at all times.
Thank you.
Now prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
Taller than Alpha guys. I just realized that. That's wild. This is tall. I wonder what a 300-foot dive coaster would look like. Might have to stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. We drop. Say hi to the camera, everybody.
At this time, please unbuckle your seatbelt.
That was great!
Once again, please unbuckle.
I think this is the best dive coaster I've been on. I've been on all three of them officially. I've been on, well no, I rode this in 2019. Sheikra was 22 and Valraven was 18. But after getting like a re-ride on this, I'd have to say this is the best. There's more airtime on it. It's just so much fun.
Now prepare to enjoy the power and
I don't know why these rides get so much hate, but honestly, I love this ride so much.
Exiting guests, please lift up on your safety harness and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Griffon and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.